Hello, this is Noelle with VLOGTOBER day 13, and I've never done an unboxing video before. And let's see if I can get this open and out of the box. Maybe we can try it together. Let's see. Okay, I ordered this with my Fetch points. If you don't know what Fetch is, it's an app where you upload receipts and you get points, and then you can redeem those points for gift cards. And I had a $50 one, and then just recently had enough to get a $25 one because I had that many points. And I have been wanting one of these for a little while. One of my goals for next year is to do a better job of journaling. I'm going to start now. Ooh, there it is. I'm so excited. I'm going to start now so that when January comes, I'm kind of up and running. And one of the things I wanted for that was to be able to put little photos in while I'm journaling. So I did a lot of research. This one, gosh, I don't remember now how much it was. I had $50, $75, I think that covered the whole thing. So it must have been around $75. And there are some that are not the 2x3, that are other sizes, and that don't use the zinc paper but have cartridges. And I wanted one with the paper because there's some other paper options out there. And you print it right from your phone. So it's one of these little photo printers. And the Kodak ones, supposedly the pictures print sticky with a sticker on the back kind of thing. So this is to help me get started on my goal for next year of doing some better journaling. It's also super portable, which is awesome. All right, so, and it's pink. I think it had it in pink, blue, white, and black. I think it's super small. I'm trying to see if this is a pair of Tim Holtz scissors, which are not enormous. I don't know if it says how big it is. Let's see. All right, so it's really cute. Looks like you can charge it. Yep, there's the packet and the charging cable. It said something about could do like 12 prints on a charge, but I don't know that I'll be printing that many super fast. Rechargeable battery, that was important. It comes with 1 pack of the Photo Zinc photo paper, and then the refills. For 50 sheets, it was $25. It seemed like it's 50 cents a picture, 50 cents a sheet. I have no idea what this is. It's okay, I'll get to that. So let's see what it says to do. Does that look scratched up, or is it just, I can't tell in this light. Does that look scratched up to you, or does it just need to be like kind of wiped off a little bit? We'll take a look at that. Not that that matters that much, but I just would be worried that maybe it didn't travel well. Okay, so this looks like it's gonna be a little more in depth, but I will try to do a picture, if not today, to add on to the end of this video. This is the wrong language. And I'll do one tomorrow, and that will be my Vlogtober for tomorrow, is demonstrating this. Maybe I can get another phone to do it on so that I can show how the app works and everything. But my understanding from the research I did is there's an app you download. You load in the paper. There's a QR code to give the print, the way to get the instructions, and you just print right from your phone, which is so awesome because that's where all my pictures are, is on my phone. So this is the packet. There's a special card that goes in that kind of calibrates it, and it's that easy. So it's just keeping this, printing them out. And then, like I said, I'll have the little square pictures to put on my journal page. Sorry for the glare of the light there. To do better journaling next year. But we're going to get started, because why not? Why not get started now so that when it's time to do it, we've already got all of the things and ready to go. So that is my video today, is the unboxing of the Kodak Step Instant Mobile Phone Photo Printer. Mobile phone printer. That'd be great if you could just print phones, right? Mobile photo printer. And I will have more on this either at the end of this video or in tomorrow's Vlogtober. Thanks for joining me. All right, this is my attempt at part 2 here to show how this works. I don't know if I can do this and make it print at the same time. I guess if you're watching this, it did work, so I'll do that. We'll go with that. All right, so the power is on. It's a power button on the side there, and that little light indicates it's on. So the first thing I have to do is put the printer paper in. Oh, follow the arrow. See, I wasn't following the arrow. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Load entire contents of this package with the printed side of the blue color calibration sheet facing down. I'll eject. You turn the unit on or immediately before printing your first photo. Okay. There were some pretty in-depth safety precautions here while I opened this that I thought were funny. Apparently there is a lot of concern about water because 1, 2, 3, like most of those safety precautions have to do with water. See, I don't know. Can I open this and do this at the same time? We're learning lots here. How many things can I do at the same time? So don't get it wet, it says. And it says don't use gasoline on it in case you're thinking you wanted some gasoline on your printer. It says don't print while bathing or in the shower. That's kind of interesting. Not even something I would have thought of. Okay, so that picture, color sheet. Does it matter which direction? Guess not. Okay. That has the little, okay, so there's a little bar here. It's going on both ends. Okay. All right, so put it in. I've got the blue sheet underneath there on first. Okay. Let me show you what I'm doing here even. Okay. It's also don't submerge it in water. Don't put it in your tub. And if it falls in, unplug it before you pull it out. And be careful liquids don't spill on it. So apparently there have been problems in the past with liquid. All right. That's loaded in. So you're not going to be able to see. All right, part 3. I couldn't do the app and record at the same time. So I went to the app, picked the picture, and the little blue sheet came out like it was supposed to. And then this picture came out, and it was just a one time just came out. I thought this one was the one that took it in and out, but this is even better. So the picture comes out, and it came out great. I really like that the colors are actually pretty spot on with the picture. All right, so far, so good. I am ready to get rolling with my journaling, and this is why I got it, was so I could kind of get a running start for that goal starting in January. And I really like it so far. It's very portable. It's worked exactly as the directions have said so far. That's pretty awesome. So the Kodak Photo Plus. There are lots of other videos out there that people that are more tech savvy than I am who've like shown their screen when they do the app and all that kind of stuff. So go find their videos. This was just my unboxing and what I have going for today in Vlogtober, which I started the video out saying it was day 13, but it's actually day 14. We're almost halfway through and it kind of blurs together after a while. So today is actually Vlogtober day 14, and I'll see you tomorrow.